Hello everybody, today I would like to show you a couple items I purchased from MAC Estee Lauder warehouse sale. I went in the beginning of June of 2014 in Markham, Ontario. This sale happens 4 times a year, and this is a haul from the June sale. I didn't purchase too many items, I purchased only some of them because I have already a lot of things from that sale, and they don't bring too many new items, so it's kind of, if you go a lot there, you won't find too many new things. At least that's my experience with the sale. So the first thing I would like to show you, I purchased eyeshadow palette. It's called Devilish Dark, and it's brown colors, and it was $25. This is how it looks like. And the colors are there: Manila Paper, Goldmine, Honey Lust, and Devilish Dark. I have Manila Paper from another palette. It's this light, a little bit goldy color used as a highlighter. I already own this color and I really like the consistency of it. It blends really well, it's smooth, it's soft. I don't know, like, this is one of my favorite highlighters from MAC. This is the second color, called Goldmine. This is the color, it's really yellow. It doesn't show as much, but it's kind of yellow color. Another one, it's called Honey Lust. I think I have this color also, but I have to check. It's kind of a little bit on the brown side. And the last one is Devilish Dark. That's the name of an actual palette, and it's dark brown, which I personally would use a lot. So this is the swatches of the palette, and I personally would use this white one and this dark a lot, and this would be more to me as some accents, so I don't think I would go through that very quickly. But this color already in my other palette, it's half empty, and I use it a lot. I really like this highlighter color. So like I said, I purchased this for $25. Last time I went to the sale, they were sold out of this, and I went on Friday around 3 o'clock. This time it was even worse. I came on Friday a little bit later, around 5 or 6 o'clock, but everything on the tables they had sold out, so it was a little bit disappointing. Especially they had some new Bobbi Brown liquid foundations, and they were sold out of them. They were sold out of some other MAC palettes, and you couldn't see even the colors. They were sold out. They just put some kind of white paper on top of them, so you couldn't even see what you missed. So this was an experience. So I don't know, like, when you go any other day, it's probably even more items are sold out from there. Then I purchased a lipstick. It's called Flamingo. It's bright pink lipstick. It's so pretty. Look at this. This is, oops, sorry, such a pretty pink color. I know it looks on the camera kind of coral, but it's not coral, it's nice pink, and I love how it smells. It smells like a candy, and I already used it. It's so good. It's was for $10, and they didn't have too many MAC lipsticks. They had a lot of Estee Lauder, but MAC lipsticks, they had like few, maybe 4 or 5 colors, and that's about it. They didn't have too many choices for that. Another item I purchased, I was so excited to find this there. It's Prep Plus Prime Skin Enhancer Illuminator. They came in 4 different colors. This one was Adjust, and it was $20. The only thing about this, I came home and I started reading reviews about this product, and there was so many negative reviews, and people were saying it gives them their skin start to break up as soon as they start to use this product. So I really want to give it a try, maybe for a couple of weeks, to see if my skin will start doing the same. But like I said, when I found this, I was so excited to get it. So this is, I just want to do a little swatch for you. This is the color, and it blends well, and it's really my tone. So we'll see how it goes. Like I said, as of now, I'm very happy, so hopefully it's not gonna break me up. And that's all that I purchased there this time. Like, I don't know, like I have so many things already and I couldn't find anything else, and like I said, so many items were sold out because I wanted to find some brushes and I wanted to buy more eyeshadows, but any table you go to, you see the sign sold out, sold out, sold out. This time they actually had so many palettes from the Smashbox, but I'm not really a fan of their palettes. I purchased one of them and I didn't really like the consistency of it, so I didn't decide not to give them another try and spend another $35 for something I won't use. As usual, when you leave the sale, you get a gift, and this is one. It was, this time it's called Always Sunny. And then I got 2 charity bags, and charity, they were like this, 3 items from MAC. So the charity bags were the same, but somehow I got 2 different things only for one of them. So both of them came with a nail polish called Mean and Green. This is the color. And separately their nail polishes were $9 at the sale. Charity bag was $5, and it goes for the breast cancer, which is always a good cause. I always take 4 of them. So this is the color. It's kind of red with golden undertone. So this is the color of it. I don't know. It's okay. I don't feel for it right now. Maybe later. Then it was Estee Lauder lipstick, like that, on the keychain. It's really small. And this is the color of it. It's really, really tiny. And the name of it is Tiramisu. And it's a shimmer. It has a nice smell. And if you don't want a keychain, you actually can remove this and just put it in your bag. But I think on a keychain it looks so much prettier. And the third item that was there, it's a paint pot called Dangerous QV. And another one, it's a paint pot as well, black ground. So Dangerous QV, it's kind of dark purple color. It looks like this. I personally use paint pots. I love them. So I honestly think this is a score. And if you swatch it, it looks like this. Not sure if you can see the color so well. It's kind of purple color. So if you do purple eyes, I think it will give more dramatic look to it when you use it. So this I will use for sure. Background, I'm not sure. It's dark black color. I'll swatch it for you. Beside it, it's really dark. So you see like the difference between this purple one and this black one. Plus it's really pigmented. Like I swatched it a little bit, but it's really pigmented color, and it's already dried out. I can't even remove it, even if it's very hard to remove it. So maybe if you do very dramatic look, it's good to use. So I'll give it a try and see how it goes. Hopefully I would be able to use this one. So that's it for my haul. It's very small, like I said, but if you would like to know more information about the sale, or if you would like me to list other items that I saw there and would like to know their prices, because there is like so many things. There is 3 rooms you go through, and you can find so many different things. I personally just love MAC, and when I go there I try to purchase just MAC, and I like Bobbi Brown also, but this time, like I said, I came there and everything was sold out. But last time was the same picture. Even when you go on Friday, for some reason they have very small quantities of items which get sold out so quickly. So just let me know what you think, and like I said, if you have any questions, post it below and I will answer them. Thank you for watching. Bye.